So the last example is finding an angle measure. So in triangle ABC, side B is 6.2, side C is 7.8, and the measure of angle A is 45 degrees. What is the measure of angle B? So this time, there is no illustration given. That's going to be the first step that you are going to do. Draw the diagram. So we have here triangle A, B, and then C. So side B is 6.2. This is B, opposite to angle B. Side C is here, opposite to angle C. And the measure of angle A is 45 degrees angle. What is the measure of angle B? Okay, so technically, we cannot directly solve for the measure of angle B because we don't have, we are missing with like one side there. So instead, we use, or we find side A. We first find side A. Instead of looking directly for the measure of angle B, since it's impossible for us to do it, we will be doing first the side A. And we know that side A is equal to B squared plus C squared minus twice BC cosine A. Or that is A, the square root of B squared plus C squared minus 2BC cosine A. Let us just substitute the given. Our B is 6.2. Our C is 7.8. So that's twice 6.2, 7.8 cosine 45 degree angle. So using our Desmos scientific calculator, let us see what's the measure of it. The square root of 6.2 squared plus 7.8. I'm sorry for 7 point. It should be 7.8 squared minus 2 times 6.2 times 7.8. And then cosine 45 degrees. That will give us approximately 5.56. Express your answer into the nearest hundred to two decimal places. A is approximately 5.56. So this is 5.56 now. So we can find the measure of angle B using the law of sine instead of cosine, but you can also use cosine, but I'm gonna use here the law of sine. So we have the law of sine is, I'm gonna have use law of sine. So we have sine B, since we're looking for B, over side B is equal to sine A over side A. So my sine B there is missing. My side B is 6.2. Sine A is 45 degrees. And my side A is 5.56. Just cross multiply. That will give us 5.56. Side B is equal to 6.2 sine 45 degree angle. Divide both sides by 5.56. So we have sine B is 6.2 multiplied by sine 45 degrees over 5.56. So we can have now the measure of angle B is equal to the inverse of sine 6.2 sine 45 degrees over 5.56. So let's use our Desmos scientific calculator. So we have function as sine 6.2. Oh, I forgot the fraction. 6.2, and then sine 45 degrees over 5.56. Wait, 6.2 sine 45 degrees. Oh, I forgot. It should be 5.56, not 556. So that is approximately 52 degrees. So this is equivalent now. Approximately the measure of angle B is approximately 52 degrees. All right. So for the last practice exercises, answer number 3, and afterwards you can start doing your classwork in your Math XL. The classwork name is 14.5, the law of sine.